What's up, fam? This is Vic from Quick Cuts Premium Lawn Care here in Conyers, Georgia. Hope you guys are cutting on. I want to do this video in encouraging those people who have not started their lawn care business to go ahead and get started. This video is for you. So if you're one of those guys, fam, who is hesitating whether or not you should start a lawn care business, I want to say this to you. You will not be successful if you don't try. And I know it's as simple as that sounds. A lot of people believe that you're going to learn this business by asking a bunch of questions. It doesn't work like that. The questions that are typically answered is when you go out and do the work. Let me give you an example. When I first got started, maybe 3 years ago, it was just me and my friend, my brother Darian. And basically what we was doing, and I just said, hey, I'll cut yards for $35. I just threw out a random number, didn't have a clue what that number meant, but I thought $35 was reasonable and that I would get a whole bunch of clients. Truth be told, I didn't get a whole bunch of clients because I said $35. But the clients I did get, when I told them $35, I quickly realized that $35 just wasn't enough money. So that's something that I'm saying. I could not know that unless I went out and did the work. It's pretty much one of those things where trial and error. So that same year, people would ask me to do their hedges. And I'll look at their hedges and I would say, hey, I guess $20. And we'd be out there 2 hours doing hedges. I mean, like sweating, man. And once we finished, man, we realized that, man, we're not making any money based upon all that hard work we're putting in. But here's the thing. The next following year, we raised our prices to $75 an hour. And the people that we was doing their hedges for $20, they dropped us, believe it or not. And and it's because they felt like we was getting over. We didn't know our numbers, so we was trying to gouge them. But let me tell you something. The following year after that, I went up to $150 an hour. So I have to say this. If you really want to get into lawn care, man, you have to go out and do trial and error. I'm not saying YouTube is not a good source of getting information, but at the end of the day, you are not going to be able to get all the information you need prior to going out and doing this work. You're going to make some mistakes, and the mistakes should make you better. Now, just hope that you don't do anything that will cost you in the long run. I always encourage people to get insurance on everything that they own. You don't want your stuff snatched and taken, and you don't want yourself to get hurt without some form of coverage. So, fam, go out, get you some door hangers, some flyers. Man, if they ain't the best, so what? Do what you can. And once you go out and do it, you have to make sure that you're really good at following up. What I mean by following up, I hate to say this, that most people who do lawn care, they don't do a good job following up with clients. Meaning that if you go and look at my reviews, I think I have like 90-some reviews on my Google business, is because I follow up. You know, I follow up with my clients and I ask them, hey, how was the job? And anytime I hear them say, man, you did a great job, man, I'm sending them that link, bang, so they can go ahead and give me that 5 stars. And typically they do. So I'm trying to encourage the ones who know that they want to go ahead and put this work in. Now is the time to go ahead and to learn as much as you can this fall and be ready to roll come March 1st. And if you like me, I'm putting out flyers in February here in Georgia. You know, that's exactly what I'm doing. So you have to be willing to go ahead and get started, fam. It's plenty of work out here for all of us. And let me tell you something, when I go in these communities, it's no teenage kids pushing lawnmowers trying to cut anybody's yards for $10. Those days are gone. People are giving up on doing their own yards, and you want to get in this wave where people are still have an opportunity to make something like a name of yourself. Because if you think about it, True Green is a $1 billion company, man. $1 billion. And they started out just being one of many businesses that did lawn treatment. Now they're Now I'm not saying we can make it to $1 billion, but I'm just saying they can't do all this grass by themselves. They can't do it. So, fam, I want to encourage you, stop procrastinating, stop hoping, deal with reality, and step up and go out. Start your business one cut at a time. Cut on, lawn care family, cut on. I'm cutting out. Peace.